each time. If you love me, you gon' smile. If you hate me, you gon' cry.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some more boxes to open up, and they're from Mishimoto, and we're gonna get right into it, open these and see what's in them. I'm pretty excited because this could be some turbo parts. I don't know, maybe. But yeah, just we're not sponsored by Mishimoto. We're just doing this brand because it's just the one that we like. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's start with this box. I like this one. So we already opened them a bit just to make sure the parts weren't damaged, but we're still gonna show you guys what's inside these. All right, guys. So let me show you the part number in case you guys want to get the same part. That's what it is. You probably can see what part it is. It says right there, maybe. All right, let's open it. Let's lay down. And let's see what this is. I don't know. Oh, okay. I guess I have to open it from the top like this. So let's take it out. This is the fans for fans. Dual fans. This thing looks sick. Okay, let's take it out the bag right now. Is there anything else in here? Oh yeah, there's some hardware and some stickers and looks like an air freshener. Oh look, there's a little penguin. And it has a little brochure for the Nissan. That's pretty cool. And some hardware. Let me dig in this box some more. What is this? Oh, some, I think this is like the sealant for it, so like no air gets through it. And then, I think that's everything. Yep, the rest left in here is just foam. I'll set this aside. Alright guys, so let's open up this fan. Guess I'm gonna have to cut it open. Got a knife in handy. This is no cheap eBay part. You can tell that there's quality. Looks really nice. Fans, dual fans. Now, this thing is gonna look really good on the car. Okay, let's get into the other box. Let's set this aside. All right, let's open up the next box. And let me find the part number real quick. Okay, there it is. Hopefully it focuses. Okay, now let's get into the box. Some nice packaging. Just throw this crap away. Ooh, this is a money shot. Dang. Oh, this thing is big, so I'm trying to get like a good shot, but hopefully you guys can see it pretty good. This thing is huge. Yeah, you can, wow. Let's flip it open. The bag just looks like a regular aluminum radiator. And yeah, this is for the 240. It's gonna look really nice on it. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. I'm gonna set this aside. Let's move all this garbage out of the way. I don't think. Oh, there it is. Yeah, we got some more stuff. Another air freshener. If you guys want some air fresheners, you gotta order your stuff from Mishimoto, I guess. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box. This is the same stuff, the packaging, and that's it. Yeah, those are the parts that we have for today. Here, let me whip them out again real quick. Actually, let me open up the radiator. Hopefully I'm not blocking too much. But let's keep this out. It feels really cool to like hold some quality JDM parts. See them all on YouTube and stuff. It's really cool just to open something that well known, like Mishimoto. Like you can see the welds. Crazy. They got the little engraved or whatever you call this stuff, the painted vents, and then you got the little cap on it and everything. Oh, they have the little Mishimoto. That's really cool. This thing's gonna look really good on the 240, and it's pretty light, but also kind of hard to like move around because it's big. Yeah, it's got a little plate on it. See this side, not top plane. But this thing looks really, really nice. Yo, let's see what the fan looks like on it. I'm guessing it goes this way. Oh yeah. Like this. Oh, that looks so cool. Dang, imagine this on the 240. Yeah, that's gonna be really sick. And it should be a really easy install, honestly. Hopefully. And yeah, that's it. Looks like pretty much assembled, sort of. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys stay tuned in for the next video because we'll be tearing down the 240 and selling all those new parts that we got. And yeah, I'm very excited to finally begin this new project and get it finished soon. And I know I've been delaying a lot of these videos, but I've been very busy and I've had a lot of things on my hand. But this video will be up very soon, and hopefully you guys stay tuned in for the next videos. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.